All right. Hey guys, it's finally here. Amazing. Energy Claus, not Santa Claus, came on time. And here we have the very first purchase of the emGuarde machine in Africa, right here. It came in on time for our Christmas unboxing. So I want to check out what this is all about and why I am super excited. So it's freshly delivered, and so let's get this up. See what is in it. Okay, so there we have, wow, wow. When you have yourself a Christmas gift, it's amazing. So, the moment of the reveal. Man, this thing is well packaged. It's being protected. So this is out. Oh my God. Super excited. Guys, hold on. It's coming out. Woo! This is the Energic emGuarde. Simply amazing. This is amazing. And here we have the Arrow 9300 detector. This is amazing. Let's have both here. So here we have the emGuarde and here we have the detector. These came in for the Christmas unveiling. So here we go. Okay, so first thing, let's put this aside and find out what is here. I'm super excited. It's just like a kid in the toy house and they're trying to unbox this. So let's unbox. This is our emGuarde. Again, this is the first purchase made in the African continent. I'm super excited to be holding it. So let's see what we have here. Okay, good. Yeah. So take this all out. Wow. So here you have it. And the first thing, let's gently open it. Gently open it. Are you ready? Out of the way. My God, this is so beautiful. Beautiful package. So here we have emGuarde. And when you turn it around, you see change your environment and change your life. So basically, we are creating a saner environment, creating a beautiful space for us, our families, and our loved ones, our workers. Okay, so it's beautiful. emGuarde, change your environment and change your life. Beautiful package, beautifully packaged. My God, this is as if you're unveiling an iPhone. And here is the big reveal, the emGuarde device. Ladies and gentlemen, wow, isn't this beautiful? This is so beautiful. Beautiful. Wow, can you see? It's beautiful. It's amazing. Look at it. It's amazing. Whichever way you go, it's amazing. Well packaged, very portable. Very portable. So we have this, and now we also have the manual in several languages, so you can easily go through the manual to know how to properly create an environment that is safe for you and your family. And here we still have something more in it, and that is the charger. Okay, the cord. that you need to plug this in. It's a type C in the USB head, and with this you have a beautiful device that keeps electromagnetic frequencies and radiations away from you and your family, giving you a very harmonious space to function effectively. So this is what we have in our emGuarde box. Again, this is a Christmas come true when you have a device that truly sanitizes the environment. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the emGuarde. This is where the light comes on, the signal, the indicator telling you when it's on, when it's powered. And this is where we have the type C plugged in, and you put it on the stand, and it cuts off every radiation within a 4-meter radius. Okay, so this is simply amazing. And again, this is the first in Africa, and we'll be showing you more how this plays out, how it works, and how this can keep you safe for 2025 and beyond. Welcome to Energic 2.0.